Folks, today I'm going to show you a video for a 2024 east to west Della Terra 160RBSLE, I believe is the name. It's a short, no slide, mom and pop kind of coach. Let's see, I've got a battery disconnect. You know what, I'm going to go around back to see what's going on here. Okay, spare tire. We have an LCI ladder prep and a camera prep. Black tank flush, outside shower. This is a Bugatti tankless water heater. Propane connector down here for the barbecue. Tinted windows. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, let's see what this is in the storage. Oops. Magnetic hold. This is a pretty wide storage. Very clean on the inside. Look at that, finished, really nice. This thing has a 200-watt solar panel. Controllers on the other side. Now that I walk in, let's see. Okay, so this is 3971 pounds, and it is 22 and 9 inches. Okay. Walk around, queen bed. You don't find that usually in a small trailer like this. Very good sized dinette. Very good sized dinette. These are 7.5 wide, by the way. Actually, that might be 8 wide. I'm not sure, because it looks pretty wide, like a standard trailer. Let's see. 2-burner stove and a stainless steel sink. That was put in the wrong way. Let's see, what do we got here? Heater, plywood, wood. No heating vents. Oh, nice big 11 cubic, 10.7 or so cubic refrigerator. Man, look at that. Ball bearing glides. That's a big deal. Oh, good spacious, very spacious bathroom. Long shower. And that's the Bugatti tankless water heater controller. Nice cabinet here. Not bad. Not bad. That's an odd looking toilet. A little more roundish. Now we're talking. A lot of room here. Storage is a big deal when you buy an RV. Oh, let's see. Got a roof air conditioner. And what else we got? Oh, 81-inch ceilings. That's a big deal. These smaller ones, usually they're short to save the weight. These guys went 81. Look at that. USB, USB-C on this side. USB, USB-C on this side. And let's see if I lift the bed. What do I find? Oh, a lot of storage. Okay. Can never have enough storage. What do we got here? Power awning. Okay. It's pretty nice. RV ready, Lake Elsinore. Come and see us, folks.